we must know the atomic masses of the elements. Up to where? We'll learn how to write the formula, but not to learn the names exactly. Like atomic number more than the 20 or 21, 20 say, the atomic masses of such elements will be given in your question paper. Wherever you will see 12 atoms of carbon here, and students are getting confused because number of carbon atom is given here. How much, beta? 12. For such compounds, instead of using molecular mass, you can write the formula mass. Is that clear? And how to calculate? Rules are clear. Good morning, class. Today the topic that we are going to cover is that how to calculate the molecular mass of the compounds, right? Especially the compounds which are given in your class 9th, including the class 10th chemistry as well. Before that, in order to calculate the molecular mass, the very basic thing, very basic idea that we must have, we must know the atomic masses of the elements. Up to where? 20. That is calcium. So for that you all have already written, right? Atomic masses up to 20. And what's the simple trick to learn it? If then atom has the atomic number that is an even, let us suppose this atomic number, this is a even atomic number, let's say. Like here, if it is a 12, just double it. What it will be small atomic mass, beta? 24, right? If then atom has an atomic number that is a 15, which is an odd number. What's the trick for that? Just double it and then plus 1. So 15 to the 30, 30 plus 1, 31 would be there, right? This is a trick, not any rule, not any method that is given in any textbook, right? So don't be confused about that, because there is some limitation of this trick also. Like you can see over here, beta, in case of organ, its atomic number is 18, and the rule that I have taught you just right now, according to that, it must be 18 to the 36 here, but it's a 40 here. Similarly, the carbon atomic number is 6, beta, that's an even number, you have to just double it. What would be its atomic number, atomic mass? 12. If it's there is a silicon atomic number 14, that is an even, just double it, you will get atomic mass, that is 28. Same, right? Then after, beta, see here, that's a sulfur, it's a 16 written over here, that's a 16 over written over here, 16, that's again even number, just double it, how much you will get, beta? 32. Similarly, let's check one for odd number. Aluminium, its atomic number is 13. That's an odd number. What we need to do? Just double it and then plus 1. You will get 27. Clear? So I guess this one is clear. So I'm just saving this in this previous slide so that while while going through these questions, there may be requirement to see the atomic masses of those elements. So I'm keeping it safe there. Okay. Then after, beta, suppose we have to calculate of atomic masses of such elements, how we are going to solve this. Before that, the complete notes of this chapter is given in the description. Go and check it out from there. See, H2O, beta, we know that hydrogen, atomic mass of hydrogen is already, we have seen the previous slide, 1. But see, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 2. So what you will need to do, beta? 2 multiplied by 1. Then after, the symbol of atom is changed. So what I have taught you, what you need to do over here? Symbol of addition. What we need to place over here, beta? The moment atom is changed, you need to place the symbol of addition. So 2, and then after oxygen. See, what's the mass of oxygen here, beta? 16. So at place of that, what I should write over here? That's a 16. So 2 plus 16 will be 18. And remember, you need to write that is a unified mass. At the last, you need to write that a small letter U. Remember, not a capital letter. Clear? Coming to the next one. Please don't write. I'll give you enough time to write the things. Just listen. Then after, see, look at here. Again, one carbon atom. Atomic number of carbon is 6. What should be the mass here? 12, because it's an even number. So we need to just double it. So this will be 12. Then after, atom is changed, the symbol of addition. Very good. Now you all are getting symbol of plus. Then after, 4 atoms of hydrogen. So 4 will be there. Then multiplied by 1. So 4 plus 6, 12, it will be your 16U. Clear? Coming to the next one, beta. Again, 2 atoms of hydrogen here. Okay. Then after, you will write over here 2 and 1. Atom change, symbol of addition. Then sulfur is there, beta. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32 because its atomic number is 16. So how much you will get? 32 plus 2, 34. Clear? Just after the completion of these 5 questions, I will let you know the names of these compounds as well. I'm not saying that to learn the names of, but at least you know the names of these compounds. Let us suppose somewhere the question is being asked to you, ammonia reacts or ammonia forms by the reaction of these. So you must know that this NH3 is called as ammonia. At least if you are knowing the names of these 5 compounds, it may be possibility that you will remember at least 3 or 2 of them. So just after the completion of that, but it's not in your 9th syllabus, keep in mind, right? To learn the names, you will learn how to write the formula, but not to learn the names exactly. Again, then after, it's a sodium chloride over here, beta. See, sodium atomic number, see, it's a here beta written atomic number 11, so it's an odd number. What we need to do, just double it and then plus 1. Then what we will get over here, beta? See, so it will be your 23. Symbol change, atom change, the symbol of addition. Chlorine, that is a little bit exceptional case, 35.5. 23 plus 35.5, how much you will get? That will be your 58.5 U. Clear? Next one, beta, NH3, which is called as ammonia. Nitrogen. See, while I was teaching you the atomic masses, I have taught you, beta, one thing. In case of nitrogen, its atomic number is 7 according to rule, or not a rule, that's a trick that I have told you. It must be 7 to the plus 115, but there is also again exception, also limitation of this rule we can say. So therefore what we will use over here, beta, then 14. Okay, then you all say, beta, what I must write over here? Symbol of how many hydrogens are atom are here? 3. So what I must place? 3, and then after 1, total mass you will get, beta, 17. Okay, now just listen the names of these compounds, then have time to write the things. H2O, water. CH4, methane. H2S, hydrogen sulfide. NaCl, sodium chloride, and NH3, ammonia. Clear? In case you are keen to know about the names of, you can write as well, but before that, have time and write these molecular masses on your copy. Okay, now let us see few more questions, right? These questions were very simple questions. Now we are moving from simple to complex. Need not to write the thing, just listen. I'm telling each and everything. Here questions have some not complex, I can say, but as you can see over here, CuSO4.5H2O, the compound is little bit different. That you are, that it may that you are just looking this compound, having this sort of compound for the first time. So I'll be telling you the new name and at least little bit chemistry of these compounds as well. Look at here, beta. Na2CO3. Sodium, how many atoms of sodium are here, Ansika? Sodium, how many atoms are there? 2. So first of all, what we need to do, right to here, 2 multiply by 23. Then after symbol change, Shivam, what we need to write over here? Addition, right? And then after, beta, which atom is here? Carbon. Atomic mass of carbon is, Adit? Its atomic number is 6. So mass number will be 12. Just double. So will be 12, beta. Then again atom change, symbol of addition. And how many atoms of oxygen are here, beta? 3. So first of all, what we need to do, right over here? 3 multiplied by the atomic mass of, very good. So how much you will get here, beta? 23 multiplied by 2. How much it will be? Then after 12 and 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 12, 60. 60 plus 40, 100, and 6, 106 U. Is that clear? Coming to this CuSO4. First of all, let me tell you what's the name of this CuSO4. It's a very important compound. That is a copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. In class 10th chemistry, just after 1 or 2 months, just after 2 months, you will be going through all these compounds. Copper sulfate, beta. Atomic mass of copper. Again, this copper atom, it's not up to 20 atomic number. So such type of atoms which are beyond the 20, like atomic number more than the 20 or 21, 20, say, the atomic masses of such elements will be given in your question paper, right? So for here, I am telling you the atomic mass of copper is, beta, 63.5. How much is this? Again, the atom change the symbol of addition. Atom of sulfur, so it will be, beta, then after 32. Then after 4 atoms of oxygen, so 4 multiplied by beta how much? 16. Atomic mass of Shivam oxygen is 16. So how much we will get beta here? See, 63.5. Then after 32 and 16 for 64. Let's do this addition work here. 64.0, 32.0, and then after here it's a 63.5. 4 to 6, 6 and 3, 9. 5 here it's as it is 63996 15. So its atomic mass will be how much beta? 159.5 U. Remember, it's a unified mass that a unit need to be written. Clear? Can we go for the next one? Yes. Now there is a little bit twist and I am telling you why. In this compound beta, CuSO4.5H2O, you all can see there is some extra part here that you are seeing for the first time as such compound. So let me tell you what is this. This is called as a beta water of crystallization. Like this 5H2O that you are seeing apart from this compound. This is not present in here. Just recent beside this. This is called as a water of crystallization. The complete topic is given water of crystallization in your class 10th chemistry chapter acid, bases and salts. So there you will understand about that. Right? Name of this compound. Like here you said that what is the name of this compound CuSO4? Here it's a CuSO4 beta, copper sulfate. But since 5 is written here, so 5 in word, we can, what can we write, read this? So pentahydrate. What you will say? Copper sulfate, pentahydrate. Hydrate word is used for the water. Right? Clear? What's the complete chemistry behind this? We will going through in class 10th. Right? But is there any as such H2O compound present in this CuSO4? This one, 7th question. But here H2SO4 is present. So such type of compounds which do not have water of crystallization can also be called as anhydrous. Means those who do not have water. But those do have compounds which have water molecules called as a hydrous compound. These all were the things of additional knowledge. Just listen and try to learn the things. Okay, CuSO4 beta already we have done. The atomic mass of copper sulfate is 159.5 U. So the same calculation will be continued till here. So directly I am writing here 159.5 U. But remember, in the exam you don't have to write as such. You have to write complete calculation in case you are giving us such type of question, and it is probability, maximum probability, so that such type of questions will be asked. Then after 5H2O will be there beta. So what you will write first of all? 5. Okay, then after total molecular mass of beta water. So in order to calculate the molecular mass, first of all place the bracket. 2 hydrogen atoms are here beta. So what you will write? 2 into 1. Atom change symbol of addition. Oxygen atom is there since 16. So how much you will get over here beta? 159.5 U. Then after 16 plus 2, 18. 18 5s are 90. Just write down 90, add the 90 over here. 5, 9, 15 or 9, 24. So its total mass will be there 249.5 U. Is that clear? I guess you won't be confused about such type of compounds which have extra molecule of water. Nothing you have to, just only add this part. And with the number which is given here, like here's a 5 is given. So what we have written? 5. If there would have been 10 at the place of 5, what would be writing here? Good. Then after C12H22 11. Can you all guess which compound is this? Sugar that you are consuming at your home, right? Is it exactly the cane sugar that we have our home? What is the formula beta? C12H22O11. Okay, this question is maximum time this question has been asked, okay, in unit test or wherever you will see. 12 atoms of carbon here beta, and students are getting confused because number of carbon atom is given here how much beta? 12, and we know that the mass of carbon is also. So sometimes student think, so if I is like I am doing some mistake because 12 into 12, how is this possible? But there's no as such incorrect. You can write 12 into 12 because 12 atoms of carbon are here. Atom change, then symbol of beta? Addition. 22 atoms of hydrogen. So what you will write? 22 into 1. Then after beta symbol of addition. How many atoms of oxygen are here? 11. So what you will write, beta? 11 into 16. Very patiently, be calm and then do the calculations. Right? 12 into 12, it will be 144. Okay. Into 22, so I'm writing 22 here. Right? Then after 16 into 11, do this calculation here. 16 into, sorry, into 11. How much will be beta? 1 6 is 6, 1 1 is 1 again. Then after 6, 1, right? 6, 7, 176. So how much you will get? 2 4 6, 6 6, 12 ke 2, carry on 1, 2 8 3, 4 7, 7 7, 14 4, carry on 1. That will be here 3. So what's the total? Its molecular mass, beta? 342 unified mass, or gram also you can write sometime, right? Coming to the last one, S2SO4. Do you all know what is this compound S2SO4, beta? This is called as a at least you will have heard about this compound, sulfuric acid. It is present in your chemistry lab. We are doing with we will be doing a lot of practical with this acid in your class 10th chemistry just after 2 months. S2SO4, beta. Let us try to calculate the atomic mass, molecular mass of this acid. 2 atoms of hydrogen, so there will be first of all 2 into, then after atom change, beta, symbol of addition. 1 atom of sulfur is there, beta. See how much I should write, beta? 32. Again atom change, beta, then symbol of addition. How many atoms of oxygen are here, beta? 4. So what you must write here? 4 into 16. How much we will get, beta, in total? 2 plus 32, and then after 16 4 ja 64, beta. So 32 plus 2, there will be 34. 34 plus 64, there will be 98. Keep in mind this, sometimes MCQ question will be direct asked from this, like what is the molecular mass of S2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Is that clear? Just write all these questions. Moving to the next few questions. Let us see last sort of questions, last 5 sort of questions. Before that, one thing I have left, names of these compounds. Just listen one time. The names of this compound, at least you may remember at least 2 or 3 of them. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Although it's given, all these radicals and cations and anols are given in your class 9 textbook. CuSO4, copper sulfate, already have written. C12H2211, it's a formula of sugar, right? Then H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Okay, coming to the last sort of questions. This one. Ca3PO4 whole twice. First of all, let me tell you the name of this compound. Calcium phosphate. PO4 whole thrice is called as a phosphate. So it will be calcium phosphate. Okay. Calcium atomic number 20. Ansika, what should I write, beta, mass here? 40. But how many atoms of calcium are here, beta? 3. So it will be, beta, 3 into 40. Right? Let me write it more clearly. 3 into 40. Any doubt? Then after, beta, see, bracket is over there. The same thing you need to do. Just place the bracket. And before that bracket, which number is there? 2. So you also need to do, first of all, symbol of addition, 2, and then after bracket. And within bracket, which atom can you see over here? Phosphorus. Atomic number of phosphorus is? Yes, 15. Then if 15 is an odd number, 31, right? So 31. Then after, beta, symbol of again addition. How many atoms of oxygen are there? Multiplied by 16. Let us do the calculation. 40 multiplied by 3. How much it will be, beta? 120. Then after 2. Then after it's a 31 plus 16 for ja 64. How much you will get here? See again, beta. 120 plus 31 plus 64. How much you will have? 4 plus 1, 5, and 5 and 9 into multiplied by 2. It's a 2 also here, na? So we need to multiply. 120 plus 95 multiplied will be 190. 190 plus 120, how much will you get? 310 unified mass. Any doubt? This question was different from rest of the other question that we have done because there was a placement of bracket over there. What you need to remember? Just before bracket, write down the same number which is given in the formula. Next one, K2Cr27. See, there is an atom which is not given up to 20. This is called as a chromium, beta. For such question, atomic masses will be given in your question. As you all can see, already I have written atomic mass of chromium is 52. So let us carry out this. 2 into potassium, atomic number 19. What must be the Shivam atomic mass? 39, because the atomic number is 19, beta. 19 is an odd number. Just double and plus 1. 19 to the 38 plus 1, 39. Then after symbol of addition. How many atoms of chromium are here, beta? 2 atoms of chromium. So first of all, what you will write here? 2 multiplied by what? 52. It's given in question, right? Then again symbol of addition. How many atoms of oxygen here? 7 into 16. I am leaving calculation of this time here. You all can do this by your own. Okay? See the next one. Potassium, beta, again. What I must write over here? Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
39. Which atom is again here, beta? Manganese. It's not a magnesium. Students always get confused about this. Magnesium or manganese. See, it's a Mn is written, it's a manganese. If Mg is written, then it's a magnesium, right? Then after manganese, its atomic mass is, beta, 55. Beyond 20 will be given 55. How many atoms of oxygen are here, beta? 4. So 4 multiplied by will be 16. How much you will get? Let's just do calculation over here. Look at here, beta. 39, 55, and then after 16 4 ja 64. 9 5 14, 14 4 18. Carry on 1 3 1 4 4 5 9 9 6 158. Correct, na? 3 5 8 6 14 50. Yes. This one, see again. Do you remember something that I have taught you in the previous slide? Like this compound, CuSO4.5H2O. See again it's a hydrated compound, beta. So in order to solve these questions, what we need to do? First of all, write the molecular mass of Na2CO3. Then after 10 multiplied by the mass of water. See, I am doing 2 atoms of sodium. So first of all, 2 multiplied by mass of, what is the atomic mass of sodium, beta? 23. Very good. So 23. Then after symbol of addition. How many atoms of carbon, beta? 12. Then after atoms of oxygen is 3. So what we need to write over, beta? 3 multiplied by 16. Then water. Symbol of 10. Within bracket mass of water. 2 atoms of hydrogen are here, beta. 2 multiplied by 1 and then after 16. Look at here, beta. 16 3 is 48. 48 plus 12, 60, and it will be 46. In total, how much you will get? 106. Let me tell you. Let me show you. See, Na2CO3 mass is 100. So directly I am writing here 106, right? 106. And we know that, beta, 16 plus 2, 18. 18 10 ja. So how much you will get here? 286. Is that clear? Last one question, beta, again. You all have to tell me the answer of this question. First of all, what I need to do right here, beta? Multiplied by, everyone have to speak this time. Stop writing, just look at here, beta. 2 multiplied by atomic mass of? How much? 27. Yes, this is what I need the answer, like this way. Then after, what is placed over here? Very good, plus 3. And then after? Bracket. Within bracket, which atom is here?
32.
Very good, 32. Then after, how many atoms of oxygen are here, beta?
4.
So what I need to write? Plus 4. Very good. Multiplied by 16. Then after bracket, close. 22 7 multiplied by 2, 54. Then 3 within bracket, beta, 32. 16 4 ja 64. 64 plus 32. How much you will get? See, 54 plus 3, 2 4 4 to 6 3 9 96. So it will be 54 plus 3 6 18 8. Carry on 1 3 9 27 and then 28. How much you will get that? 288 and then 54. 8 plus 4 12 2. Carry on 1 5 8 13 8 14 4. Carry on 1. How much you will get? 342 unified mass. That is a aluminium sulfate. right? Let me tell you the names of these compounds beta. Calcium phosphate, potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate, it's a sodium carbonate decahydrate. 10 is deca is used for this 10 this numera, and aluminum sulfate. Last one thing, do you remember because what I've told you to make me remind of this? See, somewhere in your textbook beta you may find question is being asked, calculate the formula unit mass. But what we are calculating over here, as you can see on the first slide I have written, calculate the, in some of the questions in the textbook you may find beta, it's written here formula, simply it is written formula mass. Clear? So don't be confused. For ionic compounds, ionic compound means which have ions. What type of ions beta? Cations and anions. So compounds which consist of only ions. What type of ions? Cations or anions. For such compounds, instead of using molecular mass, you can write the formula mass. Is that clear? And how to calculate? Rules are clear. So I can assume this topic is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
In the next class, we will discuss about how to write the formula of compounds. Clear?